Well, the wild ride on Wall Street continues after this latest news on the U.S. pursuit of Greenland.
Yeah, the stock market saw a huge rally after today's news of a possible future Arctic deal and President Trump's decision to cancel those planned tariffs against U.S. allies in Europe. But that's just one day after stocks plunged over the ongoing dispute. 2 News reporter Evan Bales joins us live in the studio now. Evan, you actually spoke with an economic expert about the impact of these negotiations on the stock market. What can you tell us?
Lauren, Jack, unfortunately, that's the really hard part. It's honestly difficult to tell exactly what's going to happen because sometimes these decisions change by the day and, like today, sometimes by the hour. Now, speaking with an economist at Cedarville University, he tells me the bottom line is that these dips and spikes we're seeing in the stock market lately all come down to one word: uncertainty.
Markets cannot adjust to uncertainty because you don't know how to make that adjustment. We don't know where this is leading to.
Davos, Switzerland, just hours ago, followed by this latest news. The Dow Jones surged nearly 600 points. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ also finishing up more than 1% today, despite the president's announcements that tariffs against U.S. allies in Europe have been canceled. Dr. Pinson says the constant possibility of tariffs has many people just guessing. There's also a significant debate about their effectiveness. A new report from the Kiel Institute analyzed the effect of the Liberation Day tariffs in April of 2025, claiming that American buyers took the brunt of the $195 billion in revenue, paying 96% of the cost themselves. Economists still say the real large-scale threat continues to come from a lack of certainty, though.
Tariffs are taxes, and they get passed through to customers. It can take time. The biggest worry is, again, the uncertainty with businesses. If there's a game of tariffs on, tariffs off, half tariffs, no tariffs, there's a lot more uncertainty, and that's what freezes business more than anything.
Now, Dr. Pinson says for long-term investors, there shouldn't be any real change and your 401k should be fine. One thing to look out for is whether or not some of the president's other tariffs will remain in place. The Supreme Court is currently looking at whether President Trump has the authority to impose those economic sanctions. Live in the studio, Evan Bales, 2 News.